Hello everyone, welcome to Aaradhya The Princess. My Nana brought me a surprise gift. I'm going to open it. Ta-da! Let's open. First, we have to open this. This open cheyala. I will opening. I have plaster here. That's why I am opening. It's coming. We have plaster. Another one plaster. We have all plasters. Okay. Opening. We got this surprise! Can you see? This is coloring box. Can we open it another one? This so chunky.
Keep the wrapper aside.
Brushes. We have color brushes. We have color brushes. And this one. Okay. We can see in this.
What is it?
I can see you. See it?
What is it? It's called binocular.
For seeing.
Yeah.
Nana brought this also. I can see my dress. Big one. This one. I can say bigger. I can say bigger, Mama. Now opening this.
You can see far things closer.
Yes, but you also see.
I can see your face. Wow. So cool. Kala?
Bandadi.
Brushes do you have?
I will count. 1 we have, 2 we have, 3 we have, 4 we have, 5 we have, 6 we have. We have 6 brushes, not 5.
Okay. Keep it aside.
Give me that one. I will see it there. We have here and here. For red, blue, orange, sky blue, brown, black, light green, dark green, yellow, gold, white. We have so many colors. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 we have.
Do you like?
Yes, I like it.
Say thank you to Nana.
Thank you, Nana. I love you. Now it's time to painting. Let's paint it now. I took some colors. Let us start painting. Red and yellow. So, we have to paint this way. Now it's time to paint leaves.
Paint.
See, Mama.
Good job. Very nice. Awesome.
Thank you, Mama. This is my mom's and this is mine.
Yours is very nice. Aru,
Thank you, Mama.
come show me. Closer. Show mine. Very nice. Okay.
Do you like mine?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Thank you, Mama. Nana, thank you for surprise gift. Let's meet in another video. Bye-bye.